In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Maintable in Monday.com. We'll walk through creating a new board, choosing the main privacy type, and getting comfortable with groups, items, and the default columns you'll use every day. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a clean, trackable workflow in the Maintable view without overcomplicating anything. Start by heading to Monday.com and opening your account's homepage. From there, look for the blue plus button. This is your quick way to add something new to your workspace. Click it and choose Board. A board is the heart of Monday.com. It's where your table of groups, items, and columns lives. Next, click New Board to start fresh. This opens the setup flow so you can name and configure your board before it appears in the workspace. Type a clear, descriptive title for your board. The name should make sense to anyone who joins later. Something like Team Tasks or Marketing Pipeline works well. Now choose Main as the privacy type. Main boards are visible to everyone in your account, which makes them perfect for shared teamwork. If you prefer building from scratch, you can also choose to create the board manually. In that case, you'll name the board again, feel free to use sample board for this walkthrough, and then select the category that best describes what you want to manage. Pick the option that matches your use case and confirm the privacy is set to main. When you're ready, click Create Board. Monday will generate a starter structure so you can begin organizing right away. Inside the new board, you'll see a default group with a placeholder title. Click the group title to rename it. Groups are buckets that organize related items. Think This Week, Backlog, or Client A. Give it a name that reflects how you plan to segment your work. Keep group names short and consistent so filtering and searching stay simple. Now let's add and rename items. Click the first item and type a task name. Let's use laundry as an example since we're treating this as a simple tasks board. Each item is a row in your table, representing a task, deliverable, or record. Click the second item and give it another clear title, like car wash. Try to use action-oriented phrasing so it's obvious what needs to happen when someone reads the board. Look across your table and you'll notice some pre-made columns, typically including a people column, a status column, and a date column. These are great starting points. The people column lets you assign responsibility, the status column helps you track progress, and the date column sets a target or due date. Click the current status, often labeled working on it, and change it to done to see how status updates look. Clear, color-coded statuses make it easy to scan the board and understand the state of work without opening each item. Next, adjust a date. Click the date cell in the same row and pick a different date from the calendar. Dates are helpful for time-based filtering and provide a shared expectation for when work should be completed. If your team uses start and end dates, you can configure the date column to show a range, but for now, a single due date keeps things straightforward. Finally, if you need to remove something, click the three dots on the left side of the row or group and select Delete. Confirm the deletion to keep your board tidy. Use this carefully, especially on main boards, since changes are visible to everyone. As you grow more comfortable, you can add additional columns like priority, numbers, or tags, and tailor the layout to match your exact workflow, giving you plenty of flexibility without changing the essentials you just set up. That's it. You've created a main board, organized your first group and items, updated statuses and dates, and learned how to clean things up as you go.